Creating reports in Microsoft Excel used to take hours of manual work. But now, with OpenAI ChatGPT directly integrated into Excel, creating professional reports is becoming dramatically faster and easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Excel reports using ChatGPT, even if you are not an Excel expert. And by the end, you'll see how AI can turn raw spreadsheet data into clean, useful, and professional reports within minutes. The first thing you need to understand is that ChatGPT is not just helping with formulas anymore. It can now assist with the entire reporting process. That means organizing data, summarizing information, generating calculations, identifying trends, suggesting charts, writing report summaries, and even helping explain the meaning behind the numbers. Instead of spending hours building reports manually, you can now describe what you want in plain English and let AI help with the hard part. For example, imagine you have a spreadsheet full of monthly sales data. Normally, creating a report would involve sorting information, calculating totals, creating charts, formatting tables, and writing a summary about performance. With ChatGPT, you can simply ask, create a monthly sales report from this data and identify the top performing products and revenue trends. Instantly, ChatGPT starts the process explaining each step as you see in the right panel, and after a few seconds, it generates a very detailed and professional reports that would take hours to prepare if done manually. One of the most powerful features is generating report summaries automatically. Many people spend more time writing explanations than analyzing the actual data. ChatGPT can summarize reports in simple language, highlight important changes, explain trends, and even point out unusual patterns. For example, if revenue suddenly dropped during 1 month, ChatGPT can help identify that change and explain it clearly. This is especially useful for business reports, financial reports, marketing reports, inventory tracking, and performance analytics. Now, here's where things become really useful for productivity. ChatGPT can help create formulas and calculations needed for reports without requiring advanced Excel knowledge. Instead of searching online for formulas, you can ask ChatGPT questions like, create a formula that calculates monthly growth percentage. This allows even beginners to create advanced reports much faster. Another huge advantage is data visualization. Good reports are not only about numbers, they also need charts, graphs, and visuals that make the information easy to understand. ChatGPT can recommend the best chart types for your data and explain why they are useful. For example, it may suggest line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, or pie charts for category distribution. This makes reports look much more professional without requiring design experience. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, find out the best charting system for this sales table, then create the actual chart using the suggested charting system. Now, watch and see the steps it takes to generate the results for a few seconds, then examine the results. Now, let's talk about prompts, because this is extremely important. The better your instructions, the better your reports become. Instead of typing something vague like make a report, try giving specific details such as create a quarterly sales report showing top-selling products, revenue growth, regional performance, and customer trends. The more context you provide, the more accurate and useful ChatGPT's output will be. You can also use ChatGPT to create reports for many different industries and workflows. Businesses can generate financial reports, sales reports, inventory reports, and customer analytics. Students can create project reports faster. Freelancers can build client reports more efficiently. Office workers can automate repetitive reporting tasks that normally consume hours every week. Once you start using AI for reporting, it becomes difficult to go back to manual workflows. And here's something very important about the future of Excel. The people who know how to combine AI with spreadsheets are going to work much faster than people relying only on traditional methods. Instead of wasting time manually building reports step by step, AI allows you to focus more on understanding insights and making decisions. That shift can dramatically improve productivity in almost any type of office or business work. That's all for this video. Like and subscribe if you found it useful. See you in the next one.